So the next part is designing survey research. Yeah. So the different aspects. First one would be the research question. Yeah. So last week you learned about some of the important elements of doing research or a research article. The first thing would be the research question. You want to ask the research question that's motivated and significant. For example, does streaming negatively affect students' sense of self? And then you come up with a hypothesis, right? Yeah. The hypothesis must be specific and testable and appropriate. It cannot be too general, too generic, and not testable. Yeah? So for example, normal stream students' sense of self is negatively affected by streaming. Interestingly, the study found the opposite. The streaming was more positive for the normal academic students. And then you plan the rest of the research. So this part is pretty important. It sets the stage for the rest of the study. I put it as a linear sequence here, yeah. But really, research is very, dynamic, right? Like, you decide the hypothesis, you plan, and then somehow you may have to change the research question because certain issues come up, and you change your hypothesis and so on. So just bear in mind, it's not always linear.